Hi everyone, welcome back to the Phone Transformer channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set Google Maps as default on Android and explain how the available settings work on your device. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Settings app on your device. This is where all system and app related controls are managed. It's the starting point for changing default app behavior. Step 2, tap on Apps. This section shows a complete list of installed applications and how they interact with links and services. Step 3, tap on the 3 dots and select other settings depending on your device model. Then tap on Default Apps or simply type Default Apps in the search bar to find it faster. This helps you manage which apps open certain links by default. Step 4, tap on Opening Links. This option controls how links are handled when you tap on map or location related URLs. Step 5, turn on Instant Apps and then select Maps from the list. This allows supported links to open using your chosen Maps app. Step 7, enable Open Supported Links. This ensures map links are directed properly based on the app settings you selected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful tutorials.